Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials: active mobile data and carrier tethering permission. On your phone, enable the Hotspot or USB tethering option. This creates the network your computer will use. Once done, connect the devices, plug in the USB cable for faster, stable speeds and simultaneous charging, or tap the Wi-Fi network name shown on your phone if using wireless. Make sure to note the hotspot password and set a short, descriptive SSID so you can identify it on your computer. Now you configure the computer to use that phone link. For USB tethering, accept any driver prompts and choose the network as private to allow file and printer access if needed. The USB route gives lower latency and stable throughput. For Wi-Fi hotspot, pick the SSID and enter the password, then select a trusted network type. Also on the phone, set the hotspot band to 5 GHz for higher speed if supported, or 4 GHz for range, and increase timeout to prevent unexpected disconnects. Finish by verifying connectivity, load several pages, and run a simple speed check to confirm throughput. Once satisfied, make sure background apps aren't draining your data quota and enable Data Saver if you need to limit usage. If the link fails, first toggle airplane mode on the phone or disable and re-enable tethering, then restart the computer or update USB/network drivers. If problems persist, switch to USB tethering to isolate Wi-Fi issues and check your carrier account for tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.